Emotions can be controlled, but
with wisdom you can control your emotions.
with wisdom you can control your emotions. A very key word, but how many of women and what control over the emotions? And we don't know the what film our brain. I go do the so I think that the trust anymore because I can trust woman and will be friend in focus as a funny channel. Only the NBA for page because originality. It's when there is trust. It should be said, and must it means that the trust was broken for the beginning and some information to grab and information to make you trust me.
Hey, Ebusia. Hey, Asamo. We must cover everybody and some to see Juma Jesu view. Oh. Oh, just when is almost a day in a misery. Now, we can't some now, baby, just and I say we are also. Nay, and I would not how sorry. Misery sense, and maybe more sword day. It's hard time as I said, mine and you who say, Mamma, we are day. Oh, warrior, we stay here, be young, we are singing our styles and more. Chow to play to some more. We are there, so you bet you be chitty. One chitty, I won't chitty. And I won't worry, so I ain't someone you know, give about the cat show. I thought I will bet you too. Now we do a 2 man at home. Chessa who could or would fear no be about the cat show set. Who could not take your bar at the car front? And don't you want our car here to car here before and drag if ya crack. After what always so I have share the park to who car front. Ewa tema. And then Yammy and you any ammo now on some mom di wow. Nessa won't call motorway so I couldn't accident. I will wash the womb. They would not who bring one question as a crown, 1 pound or 2. One could so bad to say be crap where the secretary be, and then the business partner be, and then the bush and the bimpo. One for when you put and motorway for one train really tell my home. And I am Yamra same way at 2 or Paswa. When wash you quiet, your background as well. Where Jarukuno, Ediama, Obama, our Babend, and Kawunya would sire. And I can't see a future who money be do fear now be son of Ewa. I'm ratchet, I'm brassy quite to say me rat. Say, no matter say, of course. Now I'm dainty now, yes, sir. Anka Owoe Kebeba. Owoe Ebeba. And we say, never, Mrs. I am Owuswa. Yeah, because I said in some near my bed, every breakfast our room, and I'll be other catcher and say you could say, and I'm a year Miss Suspect, 7 years say, and no one is a nene, or be a poby, and no be a troby, bear so, and no be a will be sick kind. Sunset same way in Nana, never winning Naba, and now for bonnet, bad people around us, in our communities, and our societies. Ye do man which and no edge dimeko. Ye dear chia one ye be the answer say ye. Antiama, Aquaba, and that's as I was and pass it, Mamma Washington and Papa. Me the moon say, I am a sorry pa. Sorry, I am a sorry. Oh, dear, oh, be a woo. But I am a passer who pass ye won't Wednesday, a very pass ye. Ama ye didi nkwasi ye didi abo nkwasi anyuma sa nkwasi asesi ye nkwasi asa nkwasi esie oba krona na nko kwa kwhwe na kwa wone ne woni kunu kai ni say ye no prepa say ne girlfriend so ampa onya ne ma oba ne ye gentleman but it's rather unfortunate say because so na say e go wie ne sa mini aba machia too much ashefonia na mother was so akunya we na empendo do no share any easy adeba kwa emma say yeah short when it comes to things of emotions feelings what dear oba so yet in setting manina the general overseer of the world na ongo all the charisma, confidence, no one and two being but the ban said Nikunu hitina, with me hitting.
they count this in the space they oba gina tum say way enemy there and I say way and I met me sharing all sorts of emotion when I met me more than ya church but people be tum sa find so a yet thing say Sadi Papono, no better chema, and that's what baby. Na so obey the and on think I will. And he mean blaming not that much, but a man so we react quickly without intelligence. Make in reference to the issues. Maybe who knows say only the Clutiniano, maybe you can show the signs and symptoms like just say, to see how they near was your bath of so. But no one shouldn't know confirmation. One shouldn't know. I'm sure that countless discussions are because of us when you have to cassette being somehow, in some way, or someone finding out from the only the book or you give a pass or custom so as an old car. Yet to be coming out up front. If you want to be coming out up front, if you want to be the swings and Papa, oh, what for the China, or be taken such a but or Babu, one person, or Bako can I person and then a prayer. Now I feel like from one after the assassin and the chap and shred into a tone so no but
maybe sending in them crowd commence so pisa kunu and that's all find it out your baby any point says so two car if you are class and may quantema I for sure but na who be some say who kono baby crack and I'm not sure but I pick you up to the front e hono bo akoto and I say e one ya station so munina and you don't need call also and like your friend no church cemetery man information. So what they hotel was said there some catching in particular day ye but him say na just oba fufu bi and I kunu ni etike one or not just into odiechi and only but the course of information on there you think the better say you be grab power change this and no e master no be me when my way no be akọ obi on na din ko ma fa ni kunu ni enti onye o sa be no be hun se sa ni pa ni ko aboa no o bo no ye ni mo akọ so alert ni enti anamonto ni de ebi wa ye to anamon bi a ye so nwun se e ba ko wi ni so but emotions na ma kwa ni ba ye but emotions can be controlled.
Me to say sister emotions can be controlled, but
with wisdom you can control your emotions.
With wisdom you can control your emotions. A very key word, but how many of women and what control over the emotions? And we don't know the what film our brain. I don't know so I think that trust any because I can trust woman and will be friend focus as a funny channel. Only the NBH or page because original unity. It's when there is trust. It should be said, it means that the trust was broken for the beginning and some information to grab and the information to break trust. Trust never go up and something that has no information also. But you know, I know how I said the confirmation to me be new be. So and I say me so me na no hobby. Be better so and I me be what that say say me jawa. Me when na so because of them what you do watching I say I don't know you crap not to say. And explanation what treating one not savage chill say o couple no e say o ko che no enti no e maybe obi o ye mre wo ba ni emotions and so need to know hand emotions that maybe say it me moving
and you maybe say no say eye akomati asem
no pray
eye bufu asem but also sugu say even so bet be can be sure now we obi a who need that emotional wisdom now waiting ya control one kasa wo temper no so say be man be fear na so person ko na ko chase ya with a phone na wo you don't have to even pick up your car so wo car
ni ba no friend
as so for taxi na driver for a driver so for taxi and so for public transporter I'm sure say way but because we driving no one has a driver o dey phone ni aye hihie bi airport
mommy who knows
it is speed that say we on our
no pray but who knows say maybe not in the came direct that no we can't tell but the man say accident no AC na me ka go see say omo a omo hu nyama efa omo na fufu ana o nebusheni ana obi e pena se mu eya omo very skeptical about the way we receive information because so who do be who and can me say who catch now be find out position baby abochina the state of mind at that moment who be party who bono information at once because who say e ade
oh na obi your friend adwa who fie adwa pick file card no na mesi asem esi wukunu
o ka de say ya de obi san say wo fie obi wo fa phone na maame wo de tena ho ni enfa wo se kan nya na like be so ka wo office o say wo da demo so wo dwale o say wo to ade o ye dwane a be sa that moment ade e ko so state of mind that moment of over phone na no chire ma chire
obi eji wukunu
enti no the way information so be ba e na be chire reaction na e be di echi say na wo ka say me fa phone na me from say Esther wo de tena ho ma tena ho be fidi tena ho na ukuru na ujiri na o de bi ada mi kuru tena ho obi je swe contract ba sensan be sika kudo obeja man
na je se ma eso obi eye won krofo bi mo ho a omo te hu ade na wo mo ankasa wo creativity so wo de ka
obe ka asem na
ma utu kuja se etu
me say mostly no en go for mo ka san asem no omo ye go for omo ben aye ni omo di nkomo ye no mo che ye suma sem ye na fo ye bushefo obi a ye nim se obe ya asem ti ono na ye fi no wa ba uti mi ti tu say oh ye no because people we there enya na nim baby ya so be ka che dia so no na me kwa so ti you react faster to it and it's a great blame when you see more money part of information about
okay and you find say madamfo na madamfo ne o eden ne ebe ka say wo hu say ni kunu bibi ko so a ni e wo mi kunu eni obi fufuro ntem na me yire ni obi fufuro ntem na obeba be ka the same thing actually me say ne hu no ba wo me ka ne sa na mo obe di kan di ne ma bi akeka dey nti e your time bi your time no be say wo yi we shi say e ukunu na ukunu wo de fa wo ti wo say ba ware no ko he ne o ye no wo chi ti wo so e na say nti me di ke ka mo na ye ne ya mo ana say dey nti ne ma ebi mu etimi ni bro for be cry right say
o to be dey say ka o
kan say mo hu na ne ma ni pani yam hyehyem ne be mani yam hyehyem ne pa
me nua ba wo
suban ana say wo
hu o di information ne ba no no say no hu asem no enye say bi wa papa ye say wa sheda na otutu nsem hu a ebu nsem mu won say na queen ujina ha mismi jina ha ye hwa camera ya bibi a me fe hu camera yi so go fi bibi a wo so jina wo hu camera wo be hu camera no ni benku so mismi hu ni fa so e don just say camera ni benku so na e camera no ana ni fa so na e camera no ade na kasa na die Orobe jẹ́ fífi nu ebe mu so the FIFA team enti the original fífi in this case na eyo yere no the original chance see na won no hwe camera no na down for na say liba kura wo friend no won no hu ade kro na o camera kro na no hu yo but e kwa your first no say da bi camera ya chia o dia ye dia sa chia o ase de bu no kon star bi ade da wadana no hu ye no for star bi enti o no say no ni say no ni kasa no no de ka che wa wodi na fifi ni say mami me be am dan mu ka me be ka ma do a che de wodi na wo say ye nje yi o zoom enti no say wo so ono we di koma che na wo ni say we ni pe bi o be tma tna dia wo say oh madam fonto no say na me pa dia sa no be ade me oni mi suba oni mi de be oni mi be to no so mu ade e ko so no mu say na ade ni sifata no ka ni say dia na say ni say no ka no pre to wo so na fifi na wo to bu mu ni fita te no but na say na che de na papa no what to say we dey try dey etu na mama we ko we eche kwa na wo na ujia na munye kwa ka o nya hwe fa because ade na munye no uni say yes sanity so enu ti the way I be most of the information no epa and I mean so yes wo ye wo to ye wo because till me mu ade next na me mu ade da enu ti as I say ye mu the limited be ma ye now for ye business for in terms of our relationships because marriage is between a man and a woman. If it's between a man and a woman, no will be about it with a man no the woman no should wait that the man will come on the man. I have it that intimate discussion say how come another man saw you in this way? No, no ento asom a ene wo hu se bibi e ko so na wo ma yin ndia ma nyansa uni obi wo bibi wo intimacy to be them to more relationship na ne ma chia ne ma to sin ne ma nkoyie ne ma akane a wo be wo ma e sa nya ma wo ye tem se enya so obi na mo aka cho ba ne ye ne kom ye ne tina se e wo be ye ho bia e kire wasem a e ko so ne nti emi ye so ba se so nya botre and when tie ne yonko na sem no ana obi bia wo friend no and wo chema ne kunu besi ba ka du kunu kra ye bie e obi for rada ni kra ko de wo be dan da ni ahwehwe ase wo wo ye no kra be kra se okodi bonde nti wo be kwan e ne bo ne siesie no so na be ya wo ni ya wo but e bi wo a akoma yi obi nchi akoma no de onye e yo unfortunately so otu ni ka no e ko wie no akohye mo bi wo ha otu ka na kodu akohu abro ba akro ene no kunu ja wo sa se mo but we dey na ko bi owo nti no e kira se abotre wo we hu hia papa bibie mu na abotre ye wo abotre a nyama bebre ye kone e be power ko ma e meto ate se wo be go bi eche na ko se kunje aka wo afa wo asem e de be ye ni pre
enti fa na o de fa so e de 2 awarefo a wo abonten efo ai kakra yeso ya dwen kire etimi
kakra me fi mede efutu de ma awarefo ne titu ma because oba na nza mo abeto ene se yensusu eni abonten sofo eni yaware mu nsem kom oba ukun na ware no wonua na oji ni tum wonua na ka yes I do wonua na ka che busafo so mo mpene nyinsa se wo pen enu ti se bibiesi na woni enye wo na modi nkomo na anye ya san ko wechi bebi e ko yakochi mutum mu wo no do chi mutum se woni enu wotimi na bom mu na wa akobisa wo na wa kopenche mu ne futu wo e mo obi fufu ofiri baby mam me yete person mu nsemu na me ka se sa ko wechi a betu e yakobon because nipa yakoma no yakobon pe ne ni mu asem maybe ni so no so na wo hu no wo se maybe sa na te wa man so na te se akmem krapo no e ya to foforo e na ekoso yakobon pe ne ni nipa mu adwin mu bebi e drop an e mu agmamu nsem nia edenim de ha te so tim hu bia nti se obi ukunu woni ukunu tembi ankoya san wachi bisano obi te na edi obeti atenka wo mu sa de na koso no nya ne papa mu a obeti atenka wo mu woni ne bedi hu komo obeti mu aka be kona chona obeti mesese mutuma ne mesese ma abonte so fom bevra wa be sa de no na edri aware bre ego because enka wo bo wo a ko obe so no maybe na te yes akwa no so agina nche no odi bia ko so ntino otimi kire nsem man te yes etimi yet said here asem so na make am sana te bana te se enya asem bia sa boko grab na the second omo for business
na se kaze bi no hu no peke no
Only go to see me na enti e ma enya potre e wo yawa gbe mu ni enkomo biara na se oha biara ye ne ye kunu no mu ana se dem so no ye nya kokon e na ni wo enkomo
yo yes sister na namba obusu a ye da se bebre e wo wonso adwen kire e wo asem yi ho na medical ama oba na busuafo ya akọ memo ya akọ papa ase Unyame emo makumato ye mu wonso makumamu ebeye ya se obente se be mahunti oba ba wodro ne pa ahwe ne kwa na mesre awarefo ye besre mu enye nsem nyina na ye nafofo eba be ka kire ye ya ese ye tu ho anamo eto that we should use our wisdom. We know say emotions e wo ho no all right. Sometimes when it comes you don't have any control over it. There are some situations when it comes you don't have any control over it. But I'm the type when some things like this and now difficult things happen there is this one thing I always tell myself when my temper is raising or rising up, make sure I'm sure you are meant to me I just tell myself, calm down. Calm down. You talk to yourself and then tell yourself all is well. Calm down. Everything is under control. Everything is going to be fine. You just talk to yourself. Stand in front of your mirror and talk to yourself. At the end of the day, you will have that confidence and wisdom to wait for the right time to know the truth. Na yenshe ya warem nsem na sese kunkum aware mu obi epra obi aye obi say no ados ni nyina fisa ne maye mu ti maye ni na ho na ye yusu ya adwen no ewo ya worry semu ye papa enye ni obi ababa be ka cho na ye no kre eye no kre kwa da nipa na sese me da se wadwen me ho na watimi ababa be ka cho me kunu ba nyene ne be di hu kita ho emo me ma wudi mem se no na wusura me ne kunu be ka no sene esese ye ka ya asem ye dem efa ahomachi freno mi wura me no won komo na say ena mate aden na wo yesa ede nti ena ma wutimi yesa bibia sesa wo me ho a wo mpe eno nti na wutimi kwa abonte kwa yesa ede na ekoso me pese ye nkyere ya adwen ewa ha se me wadwen ye nti a wo yesa na me so bi kire o madwen ye nti a me nso na nse mi ye nyema bi se sa na warefo esese ekono ena esese fa bomodia wo a wo hwe me wadwen kyere enso hu hia dia na wo dwen fa asem bi se hu se obi ti ama obi be ka kire obi se wukunu me hu se wukunu gina se me hu wukunu hotel ha me hu wukunu restaurant ya me hu yire wa ha se me hu yire ni ogwe esemesi wa ha edien anamatu obi be na sese wutu ni amami ye a wa hwehwe ne nkwan eye ne kwan so edien ni wa dwen kire e wa asem ye hu Omodia meja to omaye. Subscribe to your YouTube channel. Not share your videos to all the social media, other social media platforms. And na follow yen Twitter. I hope you am pa. Na Instagram, Facebook, na like it, na share my so na di kankan no. Media any akusua pokua answer, aka Kwefidi apa. Makramo, hana meja mercy. Na send them share.